Buying your first home in the USA? Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to make the process smooth and stress-free. Step 1. Check your credit score. A higher score means better mortgage rates. Aim for at least 680 or higher to qualify for most home loans. Step 2. Save for a down payment. Most lenders require 5% to 20% of the home price up front. First-time buyers can also explore FHA loans with as low as 3.5% down payment. Step 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you are serious and know exactly how much you can afford. Step 4. Hire a trusted real estate agent. They will help you find the right property, negotiate offers, and handle paperwork. Step 5. Start house hunting. Look at multiple homes, check the neighborhood, and think about your long-term needs. Step 6. Once you find the right home, make an offer. Your agent will guide you through price negotiation and contingencies. Step 7. Get a professional home inspection and appraisal. This ensures the house is in good condition and priced fairly. Step 8. Finalize your mortgage and close the deal. Review the paperwork carefully, pay closing costs, and get your keys. Congratulations! You are now a homeowner. Like this video for more real estate tips, and subscribe to stay informed about the US housing market.